I don't want to react to Nara Lokesh or anyone. You can't match Karnataka, Bangalore, Bangalore infrastructure, Bangalore human resources, Bangalore what innovation, Bangalore startups. What 25 lakh people are working here, with 2 lakh foreigners working here. What has Bangalore contributed to all the growth here? And we are giving 39% to 40% of the revenue to the central government. I don't want to comment with it. For them, they are marketing themselves. Let them do whatever want. Every day, I am receiving how many leaders from different parts of the world. I know how many meetings they are calling me. I have given time to them. We always sit, myself, Industries Minister, ITBT Minister, Science and Technology Minister. We will sit, we will discuss, we will demand what they are asking. Earlier they were working in a rented places. Now all of them wanted to set up their own campuses. This is the strength of Bangalore.
Sir,
I
but at
don't
the
want,
same
let they do whatever they want, let them market, let they do whatever, let central government also help. But there is no match to Bangalore
Sir,
in this
sir,
entire
but
country.
the same